I'm going to show you how to add education to your LinkedIn profile. This is a really important step, as it helps potential employers and clients learn more about your background and qualifications. Let me first show you on the mobile device. I will use an Android device, but it should be the same on iPhone as well. How to add education to your LinkedIn profile on mobile. Open the LinkedIn app. You need to sign in to your account for this action. The first thing you need to do is go to your LinkedIn profile. You can do this by clicking on the Me icon at the top of the page. Once you're on your profile, click on the View Profile button. This will take you to a page with all of the information about your profile. In the Introduction section, you'll see a button that says Add Section. Click on this button. From the drop-down menu, select Add Education. This will open up a form where you can add your educational information. The form will ask you to provide the following information: school name, degree, field of study, start date, end date, and all of the fields that you can complete. Here are a few tips for adding education to your LinkedIn profile. Be as specific as possible when entering the school name and degree. For example, instead of just entering University of California, Berkeley, enter the University of California, Berkeley, Bachelor of Arts in Computer Science. If you have multiple degrees from the same school, you can create separate education entries for each degree. If you are still in school, you can enter your expected graduation date. If you have any honors or awards, be sure to list them. Extracurricular activities can also be a great way to show off your skills and interests. Once you've filled out the form, click on the Save button. Your education information will be added to your profile. Now you can tap Skip. If you check Now Your Profile, you will see a new section where you will find the education you added. You can add more or edit this education by using the buttons in this section. How to add education to your LinkedIn profile on PC. You need to open the browser to do this. On the address bar, write linkedin.com. The first thing you need to do is go to click on your LinkedIn profile picture. This will take you to a page with all of the information about your profile. In the Introduction section, you'll see a button that says Add Profile Section. Click on this button. From the drop-down menu, select Add Education. This will open up a form where you can add your educational information. The form will ask you to provide the following information: school name, degree, field of study, start date, end date, and all of the fields that you can complete. As I said on the mobile version, here are a few tips for adding education to your LinkedIn profile. Be as specific as possible when entering the school name and degree. For example, instead of just entering University of California, Berkeley, enter the University of California, Berkeley, Bachelor of Arts in Computer Science. If you have multiple degrees from the same school, you can create separate education entries for each degree. If you are still in school, you can enter your expected graduation date. If you have any honors or awards, be sure to list them. Extracurricular activities can also be a great way to show off your skills and interests. Once you've filled out the form, click on the Save button. Your education information will be added to your profile. If you check Now Your Profile, you will see a new section where you will find the education you added. You can add more or edit this education by using the buttons in this section. That's it. I hope this video helped you learn how to add education to your LinkedIn profile. By following these steps, you can make sure that your profile is complete and up to date, which will help you connect with potential employers and clients. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.